Hello YouTube, George here. Hope you're all well and happy. And I just thought I'd show you this. The Dingbat special. All finished and back together and the whole lot. White decal. And I think it suits it. And she looks good. So what we've done with this radio, in case you're not aware, this radio has a DDS VFO kit from Razor Radios in it. As you can see here, it's got the little OLED screen, and you can go in whatever step you want. 1 kc, 5 kc, 10 kcs, whatever you want to do. So it's ideally suited to this radio because with them not having a coarse tune, I just think it suits itself to this radio very well. Of course, there's nothing going on now. I've had this live streaming for the last few hours. Some very small activity on AM there, on the Super Bowl. But yeah, so with the white face, I got the little sticker made up here.
I got this thing down. Hey, 259. I got this thing down.
Very quiet receiver on this on AM. But we don't use it here really, just sidebands, so I just thought I'd
Tell him I said the radio cut off. Tell him I said the radio cut off. Hey, 259, the governor in Maryland is gone.
the governor in Maryland is gone. But we backlit the switches here, and we put in a blue LED in the meter with some different, I think that's out of some UK 40 FM signal meter that I took apart. I just thought it looked a bit different, so I decided to go with that. And the white decal, as I said, I don't think it's ever been done before. And as to what's done with this radio with the DDS VFO on it, I would say it's the only Stalker 9 in existence at the moment with this in it. Yeah, it's gone quiet now, so yeah, we just said we'd do a little video and we'd show you all the usual new case screws, little jack on the back here, that's for the external S meter. I put that on all my own radios because I have this radio here, or this meter here, and I just like to have all my own radios. They have the option of you can switch it. Now I do have to flip around the wires, I got them the wrong way around, so external is internal and vice versa. But yeah, quite pleased with it. We changed out the receive LED to a blue one, and we tamed it down so it doesn't fry your retinas, and we have a red one there for transmit, so it's grand. She's a nice little radio now, and it's part of the collection, so not going anywhere as of yet anyway. I have been asked would I sell it a couple of times. At the moment I don't think so, but then again, money talks, you know. Everything's for sale once the price is right. But a lot of work gone into this radio. It's fully recapped, and the DDS case, and fitting that, figuring out how to fit it and get it in there and getting it all to work, yada yada. So there you go, nice little midweek video. There's other stuff going on here. There's another radio on the go here, another one on the go here. There's stuff down there in the end, there's stuff in that drawer over there. Oh, there's just stuff everywhere, trying to get through it all. So there you go, just thought I'd come on and show you the Dingbat special. Hopefully you like it. I think that the white insert is going to be a big shock to the purists. But just remember, this came here as a scrapper. This was sent to me by Billy in Liverpool. I don't know where he got it, but it came here. There was no knobs, there was no face, there was pots missing. It was just an absolute wreck. So to bring it from that to where it is now, I think is a fair achievement. So, and this radio works really well. I've had it live streaming on more than one occasion, and the receive on it is absolutely superb. So there you go. Hope you like it, and we'll catch you towards the back end of the week. And take care. All the best. Bye bye.